Wait, is that a waterfall under the ocean? This place is in Mauritius, and it looks like the ocean is falling into a giant hole. But don't worry, the ocean isn't actually falling.
This incredible scene is actually an optical illusion.
Sand and ocean currents create the illusion of a giant underwater waterfall. And from the sky, it looks even crazier. Many people think it's a real waterfall when they see it for the first time. Nature really knows how to create amazing illusions. I'm Eleanor. See you at another hidden place on Earth.